Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you one Excel trick which you can use it while you are working on Excel. So let's see what the trick is. So whenever you are copying any data, so for example, right now I am copying this data from Wikipedia, right? So I will copy this data and I will paste it in Excel. So when you paste it in Excel, so this is how you get the format. So which is unstructured, and you will also get the links uh, inserted associated with this data, right? So but we don't want it like this. We want it in a proper formatted way. So to get it in a proper formatted way, we can use this trick. It is called like you can go to the data tab, and from there you can go to get data, and from other sources click on from web. When you click on from web, you will be asked for a URL link which you need to insert it. So there, so here you need to insert the link. So copy the Wikipedia page link from here and insert it here and click on OK. So once you click on OK, Excel will automatically format your data. So from the next step would be you need to select the table which you wanted and click on load. So once you click on load, Excel will give you the formatted data. So this is how the formatted data will be looking like. So that is how you can use this trick actually to make your data look completely formatted. So this is the direct copy method, and this is the proper structured method which we can use it from the data tab. And using this option from web option, you can make your data look formatted. So this is how you can use this trick. I hope you understood this trick. Instead of copying this method, use this trick. I hope you have understood this trick. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.